6th अक्टूबर रात के 11:44 पर. I know I'm sounding like a big boss right now, but no, I'm not. Like every night, I set up an alarm for tomorrow at 6 a.m. in the morning to get up early and to be productive. But that didn't really happen. मैंने मेरा बेड बनाया और टाइम देखा तो it was 7:26 a.m. which meant I am late. As always, I cleaned out my table and मुझे मिली मिसेस चिपकली मैडम. सुबह सुबह उसके दर्शन हो गए. लगता है वो भी मेरे वीडियो में डेब्यू देना चाहती थी. I opened my windows to become alive again. Then I saw these two beautiful cockles sitting on the wire. I said,
Hi.
but as always, Blue-tick can now reply how people do to me. The birds did the same way. 8 बजने ही वाले थे तो मैं किचन की तरफ भागी, पानी पिया, या थोड़ी सी ASMR देते हुए. I know I look very grumpy right now. It is usually the same every morning. Let's go to the backyard. After a little bit of walking, sun was up and Mummy ka dhaba was calling me for a hot cup of tea. After you have seen this cinematic shot, let's serve it. The most important task of the day, eating Paleji without letting it fall apart.
Someone tell me why does this happen?
I don't know anything.
Thermodynamics.
Like all other days, newspaper was resting in the right hands. Yeah. Got to do some real things now. As always, a to-do list is a must for me. Today I was dealing with 3 hours of blabbering, some kinematics, some chemistry, and yeah, this is not a recipe by the way, kids. Yeah. Task 1. Read some biology theory part. Today I learned about different terms related to the flowers and the diagrams, of course. Biology can't breathe without diagrams. What do you think, guys? After a good hour of study session, time passed and the time was come for me to attend the English lecture, man.
Yeah, so I just finished my English lecture of 45 minutes, and today was a different day. They said us to read a chapter. She unmuted all of us, and it is for the first time that she ever unmuted us. Yeah, now the time is 9:55, and in 5 minutes I have my computer lab session. I need to attend that, and at 11 o'clock we have chemistry. I need to do that also. So yeah, the biology theory part I read in the morning, and yeah, let's see how the day goes. It's basically me just sitting on my laptop and reading or doing something. As you can see, at 10 o'clock I have a lecture, and it's 9:57 right now. So we are gonna attend this lecture, then go to chemistry part. It's at 11:30. Yay!
Again, yeah. As Carrie says, कानों में चुभने वाले ईयरफोन्स डाल लो और शुरू करते हैं. I'm lazy to detangle the earphone, as you can see. Lazy me.
मुक्ति मिल गई मुझे. Yay! Done. Okay. Bye bye. Now we have a class. So now I have a chemistry practical which I need to attend at 11:30, and it's now 10:30, I think. Yeah, it is now 10:45. So we are gonna go have some breakfast and come back and go to the grind again.
घर का number 1 rule, no God puja, no food. So So yeah, I did that.
Hi, V, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿ? So today I have 3 college classes. The first one was English. The second one, which I just finished, was computer science. And it is very interesting now. I'm feeling very interested because Python is going on, and it is very interesting to do program and all. Then now we have a chemistry practical, virtual practical, obviously. I won't tell the name of my college because they are gonna me for that. But yeah, that's that. So now the time is 10:45. It's gonna last up to like 12:30 ish. Then we're gonna go to. Then we're gonna have. I think I'm gonna have my brunch now, because the food is ready. B has done chapati also. So I think I'm gonna have lunch directly and skip the breakfast. I'm not sure. That's that for now. Let's see how the day takes me today. And obviously you're gonna come with me.
Good meal, good vibes, yeah. I'm feeling to have lunch again by seeing this. Yeah, I just finished my lunch.
Just got back from lunch. This happens after every meal. My voice just becomes squeakier. I don't know why. 3 more minutes to go. 11:27 and 11:30 the lecture starts. Yeah, I know you can see me. I can see you too.
After you have heard my fake accent, let's hear the practical also.
Yes, lecture is done, baby. Yeah, we just got completed with my chemistry practical, and that was great. 3 hours of lectures. I'm finally free for some time. It is 12 o'clock now, 12:10 almost. So I think, however, my lunch is done. So I'm thinking what to do now. I have a lot of work to do, finish my lab manual, submit it properly. So far, so great. So let us see. Now we have no class, evening only we have directly. So we meet you in the evening, I think so. Let's go and feed Moti. Come along with me. Moti! Bah!
Hi, Mati.
Moti, say hi. Hi. Eat. I'm gonna come later. Done with my lectures, done feeding my dog, and the next task now is get back to grind and complete the kinematics chapter because I have test in a few days, so I have to do that. I'm pretty excited about this chapter because I really like it, and I've already like learned about it a little bit. Also, outfit change because it is very garmy right now, so I decided to change my outfit. I have updated I have updated. Wow, Shruti Kirti. I have updated the channel's banners thing. You can check it out, and please let me know how do you think about the banner. Do I need to change it? Do I need to keep it the same way? I'm not sure what to do. So yeah, just check it out and tell me what do you think about it down below this video.
और एनसीईआरटी के मज़े लेते हुए काइनेमैटिक्स भी ख़त्म हो गया. It's 3 o'clock now. Let's take a break. It has been a long day.
Let's go and have something because I'm very hungry right now. I'm gonna go and have a bread or something. I just finished the kinematic 1D chapter. After this, we're gonna do chemistry, states of matter. Yeah, that's the plan. Let's do it. Just got some food to eat because I was feeling very hungry. Yeah, now it is 3:30 now.
So I think I'm gonna take half an hour break and then again I will get back to grind. I need to complete the chapter States of Matter now.
Yeah, that would be good. I'm really hungry. I want to have it, and then I will catch with you up later. So I just got done with a lecture of chemistry called as States of Matter. I didn't film it. I kept you guys for charging. And yeah, I've made some notes which I'm gonna go through for 1 hour more. It's 4:45 right now, and I'm gonna study till 6 and then take a break probably. So I just made me a hot cup of coffee, which I really wanted. And yeah, thank you, I, if you're watching this. I'm gonna have my coffee, get back to study. 6 o'clock right now, 6:30. The sun has set, and my States of Matter chapter is gonna come to an end very soon.
फिर से मेरे बुक्स के साथ गुफ्तगू करते हुए मैंने केमिस्ट्री भी पढ़ डाला. Time for a rewarding dinner. Let's make some papad. I made some papads for everyone, and this is just my brother showing his unuseful, stupid skills. क्या यार भाई मेरा.
Yeah, so I just finished my dinner, and the States of Matter chapter is done half of it is done now. Tomorrow we're gonna do half of it. Yeah, this is a usual day in my life. I hope you all liked it. Now I'm gonna just sit, paint, or complete some stuff. Yeah, that's how my day basically is every day. It's pretty boring, I know, but I love my boring thing. Now my favorite part of the day, scratching out my to-do list. Let's do it. Only one thing is left, that is the Python practical, as you can see here. If you like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up and bell notification turn on. Every time I post a new video, you could know it first. End the video here. I hope you all liked it. Bye bye, until next time, tata.
7th of October 2020 is never gonna return in my life ever again. So say goodbye to it and scratch it out. Thank you, universe. Bye bye.